My name is Howard Schwartz. I'm the owner of A+ Phone Repair in St. Clair Shores. Spent in excess of $10,000 in advertising. I finally hooked up with a company called SaveOn. The first run of our ad, we were able to produce at least 10 customers the day the ad went out and hit the houses. I see a substantial amount of increase in my business at this point. I'm going to continue on. The staff there has been very friendly, easy to work with, and makes it effortless to advertise with them. I would highly recommend SaveOn to anybody looking to get their name out there. Advertising with SaveOn definitely works. To help your business in any way, that would be the choice that I would make, would be SaveOn ads.